Takot na. Ako si Gabriel yan eh. Nagsasalagay siya. Mainit ah.
In the beginning, God created the heavens and earth. The earth was barren with no form of life. It was under a rolling ocean covered with darkness. But the Spirit of God was moving over the water. The first day, God said,
Let there be light!
God made the light, and so it was good. He separated light from darkness and named it light day and the darkest night. Evening came and the morning, that was the first day. And the second day, God said,
Kulang eh. Let there be a separation. Let there be the sky and the sea.
and that's what happened. God made the dawn and named it light. Evening came in the morning, that was the second day. And the third day, God said,
Kulang pa din. Let there be plants.
and that's what happened. God named dry ground land, and He named the water ocean. God did what He had done, and so it was good. God said,
Okay ba? Kulang pa din. Wala. Sandali lang.
Wait na si Brian.
Tagal mo ba?
Sun, moon, stars.
and that was the fourth day. God made two powerful lights, the brighter one to rule the day, and the other to rule the night. He also made the stars. And on the fifth day, God said,
Kulang pa din.
Okay na sa akin. Kasi wala naman silang laman. Wala ka.
Ba't may naririnig na ako?
Mga ibon, mga isda.
He also made every kind of bird. God looked at what he has done, and it was good. Then He gave living creatures His blessing. He told the ocean creatures to live everywhere in the ocean, and the birds to live everywhere in the earth. And on the sixth day, God said,
Yun na yung...
Ay, mahal. Kailangan ko ng best friend. Alam ko na. Animals in the land.
and that's what happened. God made every one of them. Then He looked what He had done. It was good.
May nagsusona ba't na si Brian?
Bukas pa yan. Bukas pa yan sa'yo.
Bukas na may apps na yan.
May pogi na lang.
Gusto ko yung fan.
Hindi, ako sige Trinity.
Something that is not like an image. Oh,